If your inbox is getting crowded with strange meeting invites, you might be a target of device code phishing. Cybersecurity experts at Impress IT Solutions are sounding the alarm on a sneaky new scam called device code phishing. Here's how it works. Hackers use platforms like Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, and Signal to trick employees into giving up authentication codes. Once they have those codes, they can access your business accounts, emails, and even cloud storage. These attacks are hitting hard, especially in industries like construction, manufacturing, and IT services right here in West Houston. The consequences? Unauthorized access, financial fraud, and a whole lot of headaches. But don't worry, there's a way to fight back. Here are some quick tips. Disable device code authentication, enforce strong multi-factor authentication, limit user permissions, train your staff, and keep an eye out for unusual activity. Want to stay one step ahead? Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a comprehensive cybersecurity assessment. Protect your business against device code phishing and other cyber threats. Stay safe, West Houston.